All I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror. So foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me. And honestly, I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything. So I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
No, when is the review? The review is in the birthday. I'm sorry, the rest of me, I'm faster to copy the copies.
That's what they mean. You need so review.
Thank you.
Let me inside and come on, man.
Most of the work. Craving office.
Pass on, chair.
No.
What you do?
Why clients?
About you and the brand team. Because more big surprise be the mom.
Really?
Of course. And I said surprise me soon when you bet you. Why don't I tell you?
Oh, you should.
Me catch you.
Name it.
I won't. No.
Unka.
Surprise, they see a name.
Unka surprise.
Minka.
Some me know there's something like surprise.
Your name is Simon Okun. Now you say my wife will be surprised me. I'm here maybe at when I'm home. I'm here maybe at when I'm sanity. But I say my name will say Kim. We need money to wife will cry the baby smashing. I'm not going to.
Surprise. We said last year. The birthday, and I say, okay, she say, we're meant to cry. On the birthday or after the birthday, we're meant to cry. And I said, I'm
because remember, me be ready. I'm not going to miss a business to have a boom, right?
Goodbye.
Mr. Shamus, you mentioned Martin. All right.
Goodbye.
I don't know if I'm back and I see you.
No. Don't be uncle. Until I make a super policy.
Oh, okay, Martin. Bye.
Machine, no, make a minute a giant.
Come on.
Yeah, giant.
Come on. Meaning say you guys are dating. Me giant. Oh. Hame. And I mean who crying your name? You sure? I'm not
Ache.
Ache. It's a man from a bass. Me no near issue. Yeah. And then the birthday.
What if I chum and up on the means?
And then the birthday. I just want to surprise her. That's all.
Hey!
Okay, wait, come on.
Ah!
Power! Where you go? Come inside.
Listen.
Come inside.
And then a good day. And then a good day. Mensa.
Maybe a teacher. Maybe a brand new home.
Ah, there's no life.
Power! I'm coming.
Hey, right. Then I send them. Yeah, I'm not going to my hand too.
Say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Today's your birthday and I decided to say Mama will be surprised. Because
Surprise, no.
come on, listen to me. I dear we you do anyone crying, yes. And my husband will need you. And then your birthday, sure. Guest room. Move for her. No more for okay. Yeah?
I said, okay. What you want?
And then your bed is so. It's not something called guest room. Sure that. Masha, wait me, I'll get you now.
Baby, now for
and I was surprised.
Me hear it for problem so I don't know. Why would you have to do that, man? Yo. Why?
Hey. Because me no be arguing.
Oh, I know you love me. I
know you love me. I too love you. That's why you tell me to go inside. Because I'm not being issue. Come on. Go inside. I'm okay. Mission.
I didn't play Denny. What kind of loud? What are you doing? I know you need to play over.
It's your birthday, right? Just have fun. I'm cool. Come on.
I mean, you know the job of another person.
Who need wine? She's her girlfriend.
Hey. What's the one name me?
She is your girlfriend. Even though any rap cry, we hear late night, now many problems with your brother. I know some one are for it. When you negotiate, so David, I told you now.
Let's assume.
Assume what?
Let's assume she's my girlfriend. Is it right that my wife will go and call my girlfriend to come to the matrimonial home?
It's right for me, not you. And also, is it right saying we be pick outside up fire Richie?
Fine. It's you're from Kuma, you're from
It is the same with the other fee. Said the baby into one more son. May demand the other fee.
The surprise. We need surprise.
I don't know what pay. Come on. Sure. So that go inside now. I get you ready. Why? Of course, and then some room in a modia.
This is dirty.
On the AC, yeah? On the AC, do whatever you want. Drink no social alcohol on this one. It's not a shame.
Sister, what you sure say one fashion woman?
Come on. Me yes, I am payment. So go inside.
Babe, mean to me, yes, like me to be forward, like when you remember this and what noise.
Men and go inside.
Sister, when you but what is so you coffee, what is coffee? What?
Mamma no mensa. Pacho, Miko. Sad drama way there. I can't begin.
It was okay, baby. It was okay. If you when you pay pan on if you have a phone to the tea as my maker, I didn't know when you pay pan on
We cheater.
Fine.
Me, well, say the when you cheater, no. That's all.
Tea. And fine. Say. Time for call this idea with you.
Of course.
My very best day. And then. And the best day. Look at what you are doing. So, for my first one, now, we say, me, and young quada. Oh, when is it? How is that possible?
I say, mini hobby. If Vanessa said, you know, with some mini hobby.
Fine.
Just call her back number.
Yeah. Fine. You may be a true. That I'm going to know
Hey.
a true. Do it, Patrick. Right. One minute, the baby, and at least, meaning, let me crack that one. I'm going to do that.
When I go fresh up,
In
my fresh up and take a fresh
we could